Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Wednesday today and I wanted to do a couple of exciting things with you guys in this video. So I do want to get my Christmas tree set up and I want to get all my Christmas decorations up in the apartment. I might go back to TJ Maxx and do some home decor shopping as well. And then I also want to cook with you guys. So if you know me, you know that I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, I rarely cook. Like, it is on a rare occasion that I will cook, but I am partnering with Home Chef for this video. So I do have a $30 off coupon that I will put in the description box, as well as linking their website. But Home Chef makes it very simple to make meals. So they send you all of the correct proportions for each meal, as well as a detailed instruction. So it makes it very simple, especially if you are not into cooking or if you're not the best at it. It just makes it very easy. So I figured Scott and I would cook together and it would be a fun thing to do. So I have the box behind me with all the ingredients. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys and see what's in there, and then we will get into cooking and decorating for Christmas. Okay, so I have my huge box here from Home Chef, and let's unbox it together and see all the ingredients and the meals that I got. So let me just open this without showing my address. All right, the first thing you get in here are little cards that show you what you have for the meals. So I got turkey and butternut squash chili. That looks delightful. Ooh, this I'm really excited about. This is nacho burgers with seasoned fries. That looks delicious. We have chili lime salmon. Yum. And then adobo chicken tostadas. So those are the meals that I got in this box. They're not the meals, but they're the ingredients to make the meals. And everything is really well packaged in this like insulated packaging. Ooh, ice packs. Great, because I kept this overnight outside of the fridge. All right, and here are all the ingredients. So it makes it really simple. So this one is adobo chicken tostadas. So you get everything in this pack right here to create that. Very nice. I like how it comes in the bags. Then we have, let's see, turkey and butternut squash chili, everything in there. We have chili lime salmon, yum. So exciting. And then we have the nacho burgers. Ooh, those look like some good buns too. And the fries, yes. And then I think that's it. Oh, we got the meat at the bottom. I think it's the meat at the bottom, let me see. Yeah, like the chicken and stuff, or the salmon is at the bottom of this whole thing. So I gotta stick this all in the fridge immediately. It is really, really cold though, so I'm glad this stayed fresh overnight. But let me stick this all in the fridge and then I will show you guys cooking throughout this week. The prettiest section ever is in Macy's, for those wondering. This is what I've put on my Snapchat, on my Instagram stories. Everything is pink, pretty rose gold. This pink tree. This wreath, Monica, is $106.
You can make it. It's cute.
I know, that's what everyone said. You could make it.
Yeah, a little pom-pom.
Yeah.
I want this tree for the office, though.
It's so cute. I like that it's like frosted. Yeah. And also, they have a garland in the pom-poms. How adorable. Also, they have glitter star garland. Isn't that pretty?
I like the little reindeer ornament.
Me too. I almost got that one.
I want to buy that one.
Me too. They're 40% off.
And a little fox.
Yes. So they have the reindeer, which is so cute. It has blush and eyelashes. And they're all 40% off. Got a dream catcher one. I kind of want to get this one. Not right now, but it is really pretty.
Oh, cute.
Oh, I know. Ice cream cone. And they have these, look at these gingerbread trays. Isn't that adorable? Little donuts. These literally look like you can eat them. Everything is so beautiful. The joy sign. The little, I feel like you would like these, yeah. They're cute. And look at this little house I saw yesterday.
Oh, that's cute.
So cute. It's Martha Stewart.
Oh, I like this little gnome.
Oh, so furry. That's cute. This isn't boring. This is so cute.
Everything Michael Kors is boring.
Really? What about this bag? What about this one? You sure?
I wouldn't buy a bag at Macy's.
TJ Maxx.
No, I wouldn't buy a bag. I would buy a bag like from Barney's.
It's so pretty.
I'm gonna buy
I like it.
I'm gonna like save up the $2,000 and buy a good one.
True, true. All right.
We're gonna set up this Christmas tree together? We are? Isn't that gonna be fun? Yeah. All right, let's take it out. It's been a whole year. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Ooh, there's more. Oh my goodness. Wow. And there's more. I think this is the base of it. We're setting up the tree? Yay! I don't know what that annoying thing is outside, but it is loud. All right, so we have to do this, right? Gotta get these in the spot. How do we do it? Ted, you're supposed to know these things. Oh. You're so smart. That was smart. There's another piece, you say? We got it.
All right, I just put my tree in the corner. I feel like it's the perfect spot for my tree. It is a little sparse looking. It was only $20, I think, from Walmart. I got it last year. So if you're looking for a fake tree, go to Walmart because they're very affordable. But I also have a bin here. I actually have a lot of, wow, I didn't know oh my God. I actually didn't know that I had these candles. Like I thought I was missing winter candles. So I'm excited about that. Winter, another winter. Flannel, yes. Which one's this? Winter. Oh my God. Vanilla snowflake. Campfire donut. I was wondering where these went. What's this one? Twisted peppermint. That's a good one. I have some decorations. I've got the lights. So we're gonna put the lights on the tree. I have these things I got from Pier 1 last year to kind of just make the tree look more full. And then I have a bunch of things in here and ornaments. So I'm going to decorate the tree and get in the Christmas spirit. A little too early for Christmas music though. So for now we'll listen to some Kanye. Oh no! Only half of them work. No way. All right, so this is how my tree is looking. My lights did not work, so I actually just went to my parents' house and walked Teddy over there, and I had to get my passport because I have to renew my license. But I got some lights while I was there. I do think I'm gonna get other ones because these are the yellow lights, so I want the white ones, but this is what the tree is looking like. It's a little sparse. I still need to do a lot to it, but so far it's looking okay. And then over here, I just put some pink and gold decorations for my new like backdrop for filming. And now I'm going to do some cooking because I am starving. I have everything in here, so they send you like a folder that you can actually put your recipes in. And last night Scott made this one, the chili lime salmon. It came out so yummy. He didn't film anything because I actually had the camera with me at work, but it was really delicious. And on each card it tells you the level of like difficulty. So this one is easy. It also says 40 to 50 minutes. That's how long it takes to cook, and then cook within 3 days. So each one has that. I think I'm gonna be making this one. No, I'm gonna be making, let's see. I wanna make this one right now for lunch. So this one's turkey and butternut squash chili with cheddar and sour cream. It's saying it'll take 30 to 40 minutes for prep and cook. It is easy and mild spice level. So I'm gonna try my best to cook this, and we will see how it comes out. And then for dinner tonight, Scott will be cooking this. I'll help him too, but it just might be harder to film because it's like darker, and I like filming when it's brighter out. because our kitchen is like poor lighting. So we're gonna be making this one. It looks so freaking good. But I'll make this one right now and wish me luck. We have the step-by-step instructions right here, which that I will definitely need. We have the ground turkey, which comes separately, and then all of the other ingredients like the squash, the shallot. I think that's a shallot. We've got a tomato. It even comes with the spices, cheese, sour cream, cilantro, and then this stuff. So I'm going to thoroughly read the instructions and then get this thing going. I am actually cooking. It is wild. So I'm cooking the squash and the shallot for 7 to 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna add the turkey and the rest of the ingredients. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. This is the turkey and butternut squash chili with cheddar cheese and sour cream. I feel like it looks very similar to the place card, which I'm very happy about because a lot of times I feel like that's not the case with a lot of meals. But I feel like it looks very similar and it smells so yummy. This was actually really easy. I did have anxiety at one point just because I didn't want to screw it up, but it was very simple to do. So this is going to be my lunch, and then we're gonna make nacho burgers for dinner. But I feel like it looks really pretty. Hi guys, it is Friday morning and I just got back from the gym. It was my first time going to the gym in like a month, but I really wanna get back to it. I know I always say that, but I don't wanna feel fluffy around the holidays, so I'm gonna try and go like every single day. But I wanted to show you a couple things because I filmed a Sephora haul yesterday and I forgot to mention a few things that I got. So first I got this Peter Thomas Roth. This is Lashes to Die For Turbo Nighttime Eyelash Treatment, and it's supposed to make your eyelashes grow like crazy. This is usually $85 and I got it half off because it was part of their weekly wow. So I got this. I'm really excited about it. And then also Invisibobble sent this to me free for review from Octoly, but you can also find it on Sephora.com and Invisibobble. So they sent me these little slim, elegant hair rings. I love them. I think they're so pretty. It's like pink and kind of like iridescent. I don't know. I really, really like these. And these are the only elastics that I use nowadays. So these are the only ones that I own and I love them. And then also they came out with scrunchies. So this is a spiral hair ring meets scrunchie. And I like this one a lot. It's like light pink. Teddy, that's very rude to do in the background. Teddy? Yeah, let's not do that, okay? Not right now. I'm sorry, I know. Ooh, isn't that nice? So this is what it looks like, and they do have a bunch of scrunchies now. I can't wait to try this because scrunchies are coming back in style. So I got that from Invisibobble. I'll link it down below. And I will be filming a birthday haul next week, but I'll show you guys a little sneak peek because I got this from my friend Monica at work. And she got me Sugarfina. Everyone knows that I love Sugarfina. But little sneak peek. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I am going to get ready for the day because I have to close tonight and I need to cook another meal with you guys as well. Hi guys, today is Saturday and Scott and I are going to cook. What are we gonna make, babe?
The last meal we have is adobo chicken tostadas.
It looks freaking delicious, I think, with refried red lentils. So we're gonna be making this today. How did you like the other meals?
They were good.
What was your favorite?
I like the burgers.
Me too. We made nacho burgers the other night and they were really, really good.
Everything's been good though.
Yeah.
Salmon was good.
Yeah.
What was the other one? Oh, the chili.
The chili I made, felt really proud of.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Send you everything you need.
Mm-hmm. And now we're gonna make this together. So this will be our Saturday lunch. So it will take us 25 to 35 minutes total. Intermediate, so this one's actually gonna be a little bit harder for us, babe.
Well, I'm a chef. So
Yeah.
harder for you.
Okay, so we just finished making the adobo chicken tostados and this
Tostada.
tostada, babe. And this is what they came out like. I tried to make mine look like the place card. So that is that, and it looks really yummy and it smells really good. That's Scott's, as you can tell.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing's wrong with it. It just, I tried to make mine look exactly like the dish. It looks really, really good. Okay, we're gonna eat it. Hi guys, it is Monday morning and I'm just filling out my agenda because I like to do this. It just makes me feel a lot better and more organized. So I'm just working on this morning And I'm actually going to end this vlog now because I want to edit it and have it up for you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I will link Home Chef down below in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!